Here is a 52-inch antique brass Hunter Coastal Breeze from the first quarter of 1993. I picked this up yesterday at an antique shop. I've actually been eyeballing this fan there for about a year now, and I finally picked it up yesterday. It was just tucked in the back shelf, and I didn't really feel like asking what they wanted for it, since it was just a Hunter Coastal Breeze, nothing too special about it. But yesterday, they had a 50% off sale of everything, and I figured I might as well get this while it was half off. So I ended up paying around 20 bucks for it. A little bit too much, but I mean, I went through with it since it's in such great condition. Blades are absolutely perfect. Finish is 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. And it came almost all complete except for a couple of the blade screws, which I had to replace. But it's okay, no big deal. It even came with the rubber feet for the mounting bracket too, which I was really psyched about. Yeah, nothing else really to know about it, just a Hunter Coastal Breeze. I'm gonna have to do some work on this one since the bearings are kind of gummed up. But I didn't even test it out yet, so here we go. Here's low speed. It doesn't seem like it's too gummed up or anything. It's quiet at least. And I don't think that thing is original. That just, I guess they stuck on it at some point, the previous owners. Here's a nice low speed. But that's really about it for that one. It's medium. I'll show you what else came with it. Came with a bunch of these other parts. Came with some pull chains, shipping box from the new fan, wire nuts, and of course rubber feet. There's 3 of them right there. But yep. It's medium. You can start to hear the bearing noise now. It's throwing a decent amount of air. But mainly I just picked it up because it was in such great condition. If it was in bad shape, I probably wouldn't pay 20 bucks for it or anything. Just high speed. It's moving around, huh? I can feel it from over here. It's probably wobbling a little bit because I didn't screw it all the way up into the ceiling. It's taking a decent breeze. I'll show you the tag. It's interesting that I need you guys. It's actually filthy inside the motor. I need to clean that out as well. There's the 7V tag, and the motor tag should be over here. But, yep. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.